So this issue is not something that requires a lot of background information. It is extremely easy to understand. On the one side, you have a colonization power. You have an aggressor state. And on the other side, you have refugees, displaced people from their lands. This conflict does not require any background information other than a cursory understanding of what has happened there for the last 75 years. A simple question: where did the people of Gaza come from? Why are they trapped behind 50-foot walls? Their grandfathers were expelled from the land of Palestine. Their grandfathers were forced to leave their houses in the middle of the night. For 3 generations, over 2 million people have been displaced from their homes. We are not criticizing any faith. It is possible to criticize tyrannical regimes in the Middle East and you're not criticizing Islam. So why can't we criticize Israel and there's no criticism of the faith of Jews? There is no criticism of Judaism. This is a criticism of policies of a state, policies of a nation state, policies of an apartheid regime. So to criticize a country has nothing to do with criticizing the faith of a large group of people. We have no problem with the faith of any person of faith. We do have problem with bombs dropping on innocent civilians. We do have problem with 40,000 people having lost their lives. We do have problem with an apartheid regime that has been active in that system for over 75 years. I honestly think that country of Israel, even if they're winning the war, they have lost the entire battle. The immorality of what is going on, the public sentiment and the tide of public opinion, it has clearly shifted. And so in the long run, there is no question, and I say this as a person of faith and also as a student of history, tyranny is never allowed to flourish. Injustice can never continue. And what is happening in that land is the essence of tyranny. What is happening in that land is the height of injustice. And so I firmly believe that it is not possible for such a system to maintain. Here we are funding genocides, funding bombs, every single bomb that drops in that region, every large bomb, every bomb that is dropped in that region, we are the ones who produce it. We are the ones who sell it. We are the ones who give loans to that country to buy it from us. We are directly aiding and abetting genocide.